expand 5y plus 2 into 7y minus 3. Solution. Now, we have 5y plus 2 into bracket 7y minus 3. Now, we can see that the first binomial expression is dealing with sum. You can see plus here. And the second binomial expression deals with difference, which is minus here. Now, we are going to use the first term in the first binomial expression to multiply the whole of second binomial expression. Now we have 5y multiply the whole of what we have here, which is 7y minus 3. Then we say plus the second term in the first binomial expression, plus 2, into everything here, which is 7y minus 3. Then the next thing for us to do is to expand the bracket. We first use this to multiply this. That's 5 times 7, 35. Y times y, y squared. So we have 35y squared. Then we use same 5y to multiply minus 3. Minus 3 times 5, that is minus 15. So we have 5y times minus 3. That's minus 15y. Then we have what? Plus 2 times 7y. What do we have? 2 times 7, that is 14. So we have 14y. Then we have used this. Now we need to use that same 2 to multiply minus 3. 2 times minus 3, that is minus 6. Now we simplify further. We have 35y squared. The middle terms, they have the same power. You know, the power of y is 1, the power of y is 1. So you can only add the middle terms together. Minus 15 plus 14 is the same thing as 14 minus 15. Now, when you are taking away bigger number from smaller number, what do you have? Negative. So 14 minus 15 is the same thing as what? Minus 1. So this can be written as minus 1y minus 6. Now, we can now write it as what? 35y squared minus 1y is same thing as what? Minus y. That's minus y minus 6. So that's the answer to the question. Thank you.